Welcome back, young mathematicians. Today, we have a fun challenge. Imagine Kavita, Lakshmi, Meena, and Neelam have only 3 chocolate bars to share equally among themselves. How can they share the chocolates so everyone gets the same amount? Remember, when we solve problems, trying different methods helps us learn more. Take a moment to think. How would you do it? Pause the video and try it. Got an idea? Talk about it with your friends. We will be right back. Alright, let's see what some of you came up with. Rohan, you started with paper strips to represent the chocolates. Nice thinking. What was your first step? Okay, you tried giving 1 chocolate bar to each friend, 1 to Kavita, 1 to Lakshmi, and 1 to Meena. But what about Neelam? She didn't get any chocolate. Does that seem fair? What went wrong here? Why didn't this method work? What could you do differently to make sure everyone gets the same amount of chocolate? Talk to your friends for half a minute. Any idea? Okay. Yusuf has a suggestion. He suggests cutting each chocolate bar into 4 equal parts. Do you think his method will work? If you cut all 3 chocolates like this, how many pieces will you have altogether? Yes, Tina. Each bar is cut into 4 pieces. 3 bars make 12 pieces. Now, let's share those 12 pieces equally among the 4 friends. How many pieces would each friend get? That's right. Each friend gets 3 pieces. Who can tell me, what does each piece really represent? Exactly, Yusuf. Each piece is 1/4 of a chocolate bar. Now, if each friend gets 3 of those pieces, that means each friend gets 3/4 of a chocolate bar. Navjot, did you try a different method? Aha! Instead of cutting each bar into 4ths, you cut all the chocolate's bars into halves first. Do you think that method will work? Pause the video and think about it. Now, let's see. How many pieces do we have in total? Yes, Rohan. We have 6 pieces. Can someone tell me, what does each piece really represent? Exactly. Each piece is half of a chocolate bar. But here's a tricky part. How do we share 6 pieces equally among 4 friends? If you give 1 piece to each friend, you have used up 4 pieces. So, what about the remaining 2 pieces? That looks like a good idea, Rita. Let's cut the 2 remaining pieces into 2 equal parts. Now, we have 4 friends and 4 smaller pieces. Perfect. Each friend gets 1 of those smaller pieces. Now, let's put those parts together. What did each friend get in total? Yes, Aisha. Each friend got 1 larger piece, that's half a chocolate bar. 1 smaller piece, that's 1/4 of a chocolate bar. Did both methods give everyone the same amount of chocolate? Can you explain your thinking to a friend? Now, here's a challenge for you. Can you create your own problem like this and solve it using different methods? Keep thinking, keep exploring. See you in the next lesson.